So this is the radiator. So I came here to replace the radiator. Radiator has been replaced, and then what I noticed, there is no water coming out from the return pipe. So this is the return and this is flow. So the hot water was coming out, but there was no return from this pipe. So there was an isolation valve on that point. So I replaced with straight coupling. Still nothing happened. So I did the weight vacuum and then applied the galvan on the return pipe. Still not even a single drop of water coming out from the pipe. So today I'm going to rerun the pipe just for the return. So this is the roof area where the FNE tank is. So I'm going to bunk and isolate the supply to this FNE tank. So this two is for the bedroom, and you can see that two going that way. That one is for the bathroom. So I have to track all the way that side and need to see. So these two. So the system has been drained. I have traced all the pipe all the way from there up to here. So this one is the return and that one is the flow. So it's going down to the airing cover, and I will show what happened there. Down here, it came all the way and it has been capped off. So what we need to do, we need to remove this thing and connect this pipe to the return on the heating pipe. Now we can confirm. So this is the return. We came to know this is the flow now. It's not a return. Flow, which was always on, means which is supposed to be on with the hot water or the heating. So when the boiler turned on, that radiator used to get hot. So someone capped off the flow and put the lever valve here. So what I'm going to do now, so this is mid position valve. I'm going to put the T. This is the flow, so I'm going to put the T here and I'll connect the pipe. What has been done is we swapped the valve, so that one is flow now and that one is return. So previously the flow has been cut off and it was capped off, means there was an end cap on this pipe, so there wasn't any supply. So there was water coming only from the return, but there was no flowing. So we just interchanged the radiator valve, then we changed the radiator valve on rest of the radiators as well. So this is the pipe work we has done. So we had put the T on this flow heating, and which was connected to that pipe which we kept at. So I put the lever valve here as well. Still there are lots of air on the system, so we are testing. I'll release all the air and let's see how it goes.